Hi, this is Janice. What you're currently seeing on screen is an Excel dashboard. In this tutorial, I am going to teach you how to make an Excel dashboard such as the one you're seeing on screen. But before we head on to the next video, just a quick statement. What is a dashboard? Dashboards display real-time key metrics and performance indicators, guiding decisions and better navigating of the surrounding landscape. Excel dashboards make it easier to perform quick overviews of data reports rather than going through a large volume of data one by one. In an Excel dashboard, information is arranged in a single screen such as this to enable you to monitor information at a single glance. What's even cool with an Excel dashboard is that we can actually make it interactive, just like how you're seeing right now. And in this tutorial, I will teach you how to make an Excel dashboard such as this without the use of any add-on or without use of VBA. VBA, by the way, is the programming language of Microsoft Excel. Welcome to the tutorial of an interactive Excel dashboard. See you in the next video.